I found these. A plain white candle and a folded paper. Let's make something magical. This is going to be great. A candle? Kind of boring. But with a fairy, now that's a core memory. See? Magic makes it special. Wow, a fairy. This will be a core memory. Well, let's make some magic. Okay, I'll write believe in magic. Perfect. It's working. So magical. Wow, the sparkles make it magical. Hee hee, more magic coming. Now for the special beads. They're glowing so bright. Let's hide it by the candle. Perfect secret spot. This is going to be amazing. A magical creation. Now to hide our secret. Sparkle and hide away. Perfect, all hidden now. Wow, it's getting brighter. Watch closely, the magic is beginning. It's so beautiful. Time is passing quickly, look. Let's create something magical together. Yes, let's do it. Wow, a fairy. Hello, Curious One. Watch the candle's magic unfold. The wax is changing. It's so beautiful. This is amazing. Wow, a fairy. Is that magic? It is. Look inside the flame. You are special. That's for me? Yes, you are. Sparkle with joy. Whoa, a fairy. Hello, your wish brought me here. Wow, this is the best birthday ever. Let's make more magic together. Yes. Wow, a fairy, so sparkly. Message or jewelry? You pick.